If you are a senior looking for ways to make money online on a budget, you are not alone. In today's world, where inflation is on the rise and the cost of living continues to increase, finding low-cost ways to earn income is crucial. Fortunately, starting an online business does not have to be expensive. With the right approach and tools, you can begin to generate income online without breaking the bank. One of the best places to start is with Leads Leap. This platform is particularly friendly for seniors because it combines everything you need to build an online income in one easy-to-use system. With Leads Leap, there is no overwhelming learning curve, and all the processes are laid out step by step. You can access a free plan that is genuinely useful, allowing you to start without any initial investment. It offers an all-in-one suite of tools, including a page builder, link tracker, email list manager, and even a traffic exchange, making it ideal for beginners. With Leads Leap, you can drive traffic to your blog or affiliate links by simply viewing other members' sites and allowing them to view yours in return. This predictable traffic generation is perfect for those who have not yet built an audience. Additionally, the platform provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop page builder, which enables you to create simple landing pages without needing any coding skills. You can design opt-in pages, product reviews, and funnels easily. Tracking your links is another valuable feature that Leads Leap provides. As a beginner, it's crucial to understand where your clicks are coming from, which ads perform best, and which traffic sources are worth your effort. This insight allows you to focus on strategies that yield results, helping you avoid wasted time and energy. Furthermore, the email list builder allows you to collect and manage emails, sending newsletters even on the free plan, which is a rarity among platforms. Once you set up your ads, Leads Leap generates daily passive traffic, allowing you to focus on other tasks. Combining Leads Leap with ClickEngine is an excellent strategy. ClickEngine is a hands-off traffic system where you only need to submit your link after setup, and it promotes it to a network of real members. This system provides automatic daily clicks, making it simple and effective. Using these two platforms together, you can create a powerful, low-stress system for generating income online. Start by building your pages and promoting them with ClickEngine, allowing you to track your performance and improve gradually. It's an ideal solution for seniors seeking to grow at their own pace.